Okay, guys, so we just got done eating the creamy garlic pork chop. Get down here. We just got done eating the creamy garlic pork chop recipe from the 3rd edition cookbook, and my husband was like, ooh, this sauce tastes just like the I can't do that for very long, I'm old. It tastes just like the recipe that that he gets from a restaurant here in town, and it's I can't remember, it's like Cajun or Creole, shrimp Creole or something like that. And so I was like, well, I've got some shrimp in the freezer. Let me get it out and put it in the rest of this sauce, because we have some sauce left over. And he was like, oh yeah. So he put a little bit of this, this slap your mama, whatever, seasoning on it. So I'm going to sprinkle some of that in there. It's a little Cajun seasoning is all it is. Sprinkle that. And then I'm going to heat this up, and then we're going to see what this tastes like. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to be amazing as well, because this sauce is really, really good. So I bet the rest of it, or the shrimp in it with the Slap Your Mama seasoning is just amazing as well. So we're gonna see if we can get kind of 2 dishes out of one. And if you missed the pork chop recipe, I will put that in the link below and do that. So yeah, but I bet this would be good on this roux seasoning, whatever this is. Would be good on steak or even chicken, but it tasted really good. So I'm gonna heat this back up, and then we'll taste this and see, or I'll have him taste that, because I'm not a huge shrimp person. I will eat shrimp, but it's not like my favorite thing in the whole wide world. My daughter absolutely loves shrimp, and she will eat a pound of shrimp by herself, so in one sitting. So but anyways, so I'm gonna let this heat up, and then we'll I'll have him try it. So if you have not subscribed to Sunday Potluck, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, and so we'll see you later. Okay, so here's the shrimp with a little bit of rice, because I have some of that left over too. Mary Ann's eating shrimp for the first time, and she spit it out. But she wants another bite. It's good. Alright, so the shrimp in it is good. I bet anything in this sauce would be amazing. So if you try it on something different, let me know.